everyone. Welcome back to Study HQ. If you are gearing up for the IELTS exam, you're probably aware of how crucial it is to manage your test schedule effectively. But what if unexpected situations come up that make it necessary to cancel or even reschedule your tests? In today's video, we are going to explore exactly how you can navigate this process with ease. So if you're feeling uncertain about how to handle changes in your IELTS test schedule, and we will provide you with all the information that you need. So before you reschedule, make sure to consider these points. First, the specific reason for rescheduling, whether it's personal issue, a schedule change, or needed extra prep time. Understanding your reason will help simplify the rescheduling process. Second, check the availability of new test dates in your area. Third, evaluate your preparation level. Rescheduling might give you more time to prepare effectively. Finally, be aware of deadlines to avoid any extra fees or complications. Now, let us move forward with the steps to reschedule your IELTS exam. You can either proceed with the online or offline method. To reschedule your IELTS exam online, go to the official IELTS registration website, or you can find the link in the description below. Log into your account, select reschedule or transfer option, upload all the supporting documents and click on submit. Don't forget to check for an acknowledgement pop-up. This is it for you. Wait till the IELTS team contacts you. Remember, you can reschedule your IELTS test only if it is 15 days far. Let's move to the offline process. Download the transfer cancellation application form from the official IELTS website or get it from the description below. Fill out the form with all the necessary details. Choose the transfer option. Select 2 new dates that will work for you. Submit the form along with any required documents to your test center. Keep your doctor's contact information handy if it's a medical emergency. The rescheduling fee typically ranges between $20 to $50. That was all about the rescheduling process. But what if you need to cancel your IELTS exam? Well, there are 2 ways to do it, online or offline. Let us break it step by step. For online cancellations, visit the IELTS TP website or get the link in the description. Log into your account, click on cancellation and submit any supporting documents. Save the acknowledgement and wait for the representative to contact you. Once the cancellation is approved, the refund is typically processed between 10 to 12 working days. For offline cancellations, you can follow the same procedure as offline rescheduling by downloading the form from the description below. The cancellation fee also ranges somewhat between $20 to $50. Well, that was all about the rescheduling and cancellation. I hope this video helps you navigate the process smoothly. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your IELTS exam. See you next time.